We dress, we gonna get us a few little.
I'm a fucking sex symbol. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some honey's on me, I got a Gucci. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some up on the front seat. We gon' for an hour, then we gon'
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. You guys are in for a transformation treat because, baby, my hair was a mess earlier, okay? It was a mess. But we are dressed, we are glam. We're gonna go grab a few little drinky drinks and some dinner. And yeah, I really think that I look extremely pretty. I love this. This braid was only supposed to be something I was gonna do for like a day or two, but I might just keep this for the rest of the week. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next clip.
Okay, so I was giving Frederick Douglass, but y'all saw what I was giving in the opening clip, so period poo. Here's the reason why my hair is out right now. Do y'all see that big ass black mark across my forehead? Okay, so you know, you cannot have a laid wig without a hot comb. Well, the hot comb laid me. My forehead got a huge, nasty scar on it. So y'all know I'm on my skincare journey. I will link that above in the cards with my Rose Galore. So I'm just trying to clear that up, honestly, before I like go back to wearing my wigs actually tacked down to my head. So we're gonna be playing with a few little natural styles here and there, or like just wigs that are truly glueless so that I can treat my forehead. So now that we got that out the way, y'all see how long my hair has been growing, how much it's been thickening it up, the curls are popping. So yeah, we're gonna get into this cute little braid. The first product that I'm using is my Edge Booster styling gel, and literally I just wanted to make sure that I could get, you know, something on my hair to start the slick back process. If you are natural, especially a type 4 natural girl, you know the struggle that we go through just to get our hair in a sleek and slick, just bun, ponytail, anything. It takes forever. So you guys are gonna see me use quite a few different products to get my hair slick. So the next product I'm going to be using, y'all know we ain't new to this, we true to this on this channel, my EBINS Edge Control. It is a 24-hour edge tamer with the firm hold. This is probably one of the best edge controls you can use, like if you're getting your hair braided, or of course if you're slicking it into a ponytail. EBINS gets you together, okay? I love this for ponytail purposes and ponytail purposes only. Like y'all see how slick my hair is just sliding back, so that gel and that edge control is my holy grail combination. So after I get my hair into a ponytail about 8,000 times and reapply more edge control to try to get it as slick as possible, we will move on to the star of the show, which is going to be this braid that I am putting in my hair.
I have 65-inch hair from Bobbi Boss. This hair was $5.99 from my local hair store. And just look. So you see how I take the bow and I put it under the hair. So now it's like this. So then do this.
So I don't really know how to explain how to braid, but as far as putting this ponytail on, literally I'm just taking that scrunchie that I placed the hair on, and I'm wrapping that around my little twist that I created earlier before I like set under the dryer and stuff. And literally I'm going to section off a piece of hair. This piece that I'm moving out of the way and clipping to my scarf is actually going to go around the base of the braid once I'm done braiding. And then with the actual braiding hair, I'm just going to separate it into the 3 pieces. Now, I will say I was trying to use the least amount of heat as possible. Normally, I would blow my hair out before I do a braid like this, but I just said F it and I just left my hair kind of damp and curly. But the whole point was with each section, so taking those 3 pieces, I was going to tuck my hair behind the braiding hair so that way it wasn't showing. And yeah, so this is me just obviously braiding the hair. One thing I will say about this Bobbi Boss hair, I hope that that's the name of it. I think that's the name of it. I did not experience any like true tangling with the hair. I'm gonna tell y'all where I messed up at. I am not good at feeding in braids. In order to get this braid super long, I did use all 3 pieces, and honey, when it came time to feed that braid in, that's when it got a little tricky. But as you guys can see, I'm using that last piece to just wrap it around so that way you don't see where the braid starts at, and it gives it a cute little finishing touch. So I'm just using a bobby pin and sticking that into the base of the braid. Make sure you don't like put it too into your scalp, or else it's going to irritate you.
What everybody loves about doing their hair, the edges. So y'all already know how I feel about SAWEETIE's edge control.
There will also be a card linked above to show you guys my SAWEETIE edge control review. I'll also show you guys how I go about laying my edges. So I'm not gonna go too much into detail here. Make sure you just, watch the video that's listed above for you guys in the cards. And let's get back into these edges, Pooh.
Say what, you know that I'm about it, baby, girl, you know what's up. People thighs and I'm zoning, people thighs and I'm zoning, people thighs.
The makeup portion, and then we gonna get into these slow-mos in this fit bitch, cause I'm already feeling myself. Like, I look cute, okay? I look real cute.
Starting off with the makeup, y'all already know my holy grail drugstore foundation right now is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. Y'all can really see how nasty that scar looks on my forehead right now. I cannot wait until it's gone. Again, if you guys have not tuned into my skincare journey with the shop Moon Cosmetics, Moon X Cosmetics Rose Galore, make sure you check that out. That product mainly focuses on clearing up hyperpigmentation and treating scars. So you guys will watch this disappear with me as I continue on with my journey. But yeah, using my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, the shade names, all that will be down below in the description box. I am, of course, evening out my complexion. I'm contouring with my Juvia's Place contour stick, which I've really been loving a lot lately. You guys know all the time, the only concealer that I've been using for really about the past 3 months is my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Peanut Butter. And yeah, I mean, I don't even know why I'm talking to you guys during this. Honestly, I'm just gonna list the products down below in the description box because this look is so basic. Y'all know I'm basic. Like, y'all gonna get a nice, beautiful base and a brown shadow, and that's it. Unless this video is literally meant to do to teach you guys something. That's the only time that y'all are probably really gonna get a different look from me. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Honestly, it's really soothing to watch me do my makeup, so I hope that it brings you guys the same type of pleasure. I guess I can use this space for you guys to tell me down below in the comment section, what type of makeup looks do you guys want to see? Like, if you guys want to see like bold looks, if you guys want to see like more lip lookbooks, if you guys want to see pastels, or have me review a certain brand or a certain palette, definitely leave your suggestions down below in the comment section, because I want to film content that you guys are actually going to watch and that you guys want to see. So I will let the music play for the rest of this video, and yeah, not thank you guys for watching yet, because we still got a few more little clips to go, but enjoy the rest of the video and I will see you guys at the end.
Say what, say what, say what, say what. what's up. And my people be rolling. You and your girls wanna ride. On the ride. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, say
All right, so the face is done. I hope that this was in focus. If not, y'all know I do this basic look all the time. I have a video that I can link in the card so y'all can see this, but we gonna go ahead and get on to the outfit because I gotta get out of my house in literally a little bit. I got somewhere to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my life together, and then I'll see y'all when the fit is on. All right, so makeup is done. My lips are just Trendsetter Lip Liner by Morphe, Praline by NYX, and then Hot Chocolate by Fenty Beauty. Y'all already know that is my go-to gloss combo. And now it's time for the big reveal. Whew, let me get my mirror right. Okay, girl. Yes, ma'am. So I love this. I think this is so cute. It came out exactly how I wanted it to look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want me to do more videos like this where I'm doing like hairstyle, makeup, showing you guys my outfit, I would love to do that. So yeah, until then, I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.